Welcome back to Product Critique, where we review the best products out there to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're going to talk about the BENECREAT 9-gauge jewelry aluminum wire, which we believe is the best thick copper wire for a variety of creative projects. Whether you're into jewelry making, sculpting, or gardening, this wire has got you covered. Let's dive into why this is a must-have for your next crafting project. First off, the material. This wire is made from high-quality aluminum, which makes it both lightweight and durable. The copper tone finish adds a beautiful, vibrant touch that's perfect for any crafting or jewelry project. It's rust-proof and tarnish-free, which means it will stay looking great for a long time, even with frequent handling. Plus, it's incredibly flexible and easy to bend, making it ideal for a range of tasks from floral arranging to model skeleton making. One of the standout features of the BENECREAT 9-gauge aluminum wire is its size. With a thickness of 9 gauge, or about 3 mm, it's perfect for creating structures that need a bit more strength but still maintain flexibility. The wire comes in a 55-foot length, which gives you plenty of material for your projects without worrying about running out too soon. Packaging is another thing that stands out with this product. It comes in a custom box that keeps the wire safe during shipping. The plastic axis inside ensures that the wire stays neatly organized, so you don't have to deal with tangles when you start working on your project. This thoughtful packaging means you get a product that's ready to use right out of the box. Whether you're wrapping stones for jewelry, creating wire sculptures, or designing unique garden features, the BENECREAT aluminum wire makes it easy. It's perfect for everything from crafting to DIY home decor projects. Its versatility makes it suitable for both beginners and experienced crafters, and its copper color adds a professional, polished look to whatever you create. In conclusion, the BENECREAT 9-gauge jewelry aluminum wire is a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a strong yet bendable wire for their creative endeavors. It's durable, easy to manipulate, and the copper tone is sure to add a touch of elegance to your work. If you're in need of a reliable, high-quality craft wire, this is definitely the one to consider. That wraps up our review today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!